Hi everyone, and I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel today. My name is Baby Ray. In today's tutorial, we are going to be cutting a kimono jacket with a pant. First of all, I will start by cutting out my pants, which is 40 inches for the total length, and I added 2 inches for my seam allowance for the down part, making it 42. And that is where my starting point is, which is the waist area. I'm still going to be attaching a elastic band at the top, but that will be later. So let's proceed. I'll come down by my hip length, which is 9 inches, again to my crotch area, which is 11.5, and I'm going to be marking those lines out in order to place the accurate measurements on them. This is actually optional. I'm just trying to be accurate over there. For my hip measurement, I'm going to divide my hip by 4. Then here, because it's a free pant, I added 3 inches allowance. And on that crotch area, you're going to be dividing your laps area. That means your thigh by 2. You might add 2 inches as well if you don't want it to be tight, because this pant is a free one. For that hip side, I'll be placing the actual measurement of my hip on the waist area since I'll be attaching an elastic band around the waist as well. For that laps, I come in by 1 inches over there in order to give it that even shape by the sides. This is actually optional. If you don't want it to do your own like this, you might just skip it. After you are done doing that, I usually come down by I minus 1 inch from the actual measurement of my laps or around that crotch area, and for the down part I used 13 inches. Let's cut. After, you are going to come down by just half an inch, come inward by half an inch at the upper part, and that's all for the front part. Moving forward to the back side, sometimes when you see some pant trouser, you are going to notice that the front part is actually dragging the back side. It's because they are equal. If you are going to be cutting a pant trouser, you are going to extend the back side like the way I'm doing in the video. It's not going to be equal. The crotch area is not going to be equal. You are going to come up by 1 inch as you are seeing in the video, and the shape of the crotch area is not going to be the same thing with the front part as well. Just watch the video and you're going to get what I'm saying. Then I added at 1 inch for the back side in order to make it free, and the sides are of equal shape. This is where I'm going to place my elastic band inside, and I'm using 3.5 here. You're going to see how I'm going to fix it before the end of the video. I'm just trying to explain that after you might have joined all your trouser together or your pant together, you're just going to fix it on top of the waist area. Then you're going to take your elastic band that you've joined together and just stitch it with it. I'm still going to show you how you're going to do it, so please calm. So this is my moving forward to my kimono jacket. For this kimono jacket, I used 35 inches for the total, for the total length. Then for the width, I used 33.5. That means the shoulder, the total shoulder. I came down by 12 inches because I'm still going to be removing 1 inch for the slope. After which I used 43 inches for the whole wideness of the kimono jacket. Yours might be different. We work on the size of the person we are working with. But make sure that if you are cutting a kimono jacket, you use the hip size. You don't use the waist or any other thing. You use it because the hip is the largest part of the body. After using the hip side, then you are going to add about probably 5 inches or more to the measurements so that it's going to be free. After I'm done doing that, I'm going to proceed in marking out the neck side. For my width, I use 3.5. Then for the depth, I use 1.5 for the back side. I'm going to be showing you how I shaped out the front area. Please guys, if you are here to subscribe to my channel, please do so. Subscribe to my channel. Let us grow together. Let us learn. After I'm done doing that, I'm going to, because I want to apply another fabric at the front part, and I'm going to be coming inward by 1.5 inches in order to replace the other fabric I'll be fixing. I came down by 9.5 because that is where I want my opening to stop. This is just for this is just for us to get that shape that we want. And I'm going to join the lines together. If I didn't do it like this, we're not going to be able to shape it to meet the neck part. So let's cut. So here I'm trying to get the total length of the other fabric I'll be attaching to it. So you just have to measure that. This is my fabric I want to use. On this my fabric, I'll be cutting out, I minus 1.5 there, so I'll be cutting out 2 inches. If you really want your own to be wide enough, you can just measure out 2.5 if you want it to be a bit wide. So because it's not on full, that is why I chalked out 4 inches. I marked out 4 inches. And I'm going to be doing this over again because it's of 2 sides and my fabric is not as long as I think, so I'll have to join it in order to be one. So this is for that front part. You can see the way I folded it in the video. So I'll be joining the two together like that. I'll also do the same for the sleeve area for that part. And I also use 4 inches for that side as well. So this is where I have joined my pants together and it's already looking sweet. A video how I fix the pocket is on my YouTube channel. I'll be dropping the link down below. So that is where I said I'll be fixing my elastic. I've went ahead to my sewing machine and I've already joined it to the pants, and this is what it looks like after that. So this is also my elastic band with elastic with which I've already joined together. I've measured the waist of the person I'm working with and I've already marked out that. Go ahead to your sewing machine the way I'm doing it in the video and you're going to stitch it all around like so, and it's going to be giving you this exact thing if you do it right. So our pant is ready. Moving forward to my kimono jacket, go ahead and just join the shoulders with each other like this. And notch the back because that's the center, and also the one you are joining with it, also notch the back, or also notch the center if it is not joined, in order for you to get it perfectly. Then stitch it all around and also do the same with the sleeve part. So here I used paper stone to just beautify it, and that's all. Thank you for watching.